Growing up as a favorite hero, basically I was a sports oriented youngster. I love watching sports on a whole itself. So, you know, when it comes towards track and field, Maurice Green was always, you know, a runner for me. Why? Because, you know, I love to see that explosiveness out of the blocks, the way he moves from start to finish. And then going over to football, football I used to watch like way back from '94 as a young boy watching football. I used to watch like Sweden, you know, Martin Dahlin and then, you know, the Rivaldo from Brazil. You know, those were really, you know, athletes that I really look up to, because, you know, I always say if I become a runner, I want to be, you know, somewhere along the way like one of those superstars, because, you know, they are mature level and the way they play, the way he runs, you know, stuff like that. And then locally, you know, I start, you know, develop a little passion, a surfer, because a surfer is, you know, as I say, the first Jamaican to have a world record that's really recognized, you know, in the early 2004, 2005, you know, so yeah, so, you know, something that I really look up to. Those person are the person. I say, you know, those were my heroes as a youngster growing up, you know, because I always want to say, if I ever become a star, I want to become like that person.